Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to delete all empty cells in less than a second. I have a VBA code that I connected to this button, so if I click on this button here, you will see all these empty cells here and here and here. They will be deleted and in less than a second. Let's see. So we have 3 cells empty here, we have 1 cell here, and 1 cell empty here. So I'm gonna push this button and see what will happen. All the empty cells are gone now. So this is very useful VBA code. You can use it inside Excel, and it will save you a lot of time if the user chooses to manually delete the cells or readjust and modify the data. So I'm just gonna show you again what this code is doing. So I have these 3 cells empty, this cell empty, and this cell empty. So I want to delete all of the empty cells by just pushing this button or clicking on this button. So I colored the empty cell in yellow. Look what happened. All are gone now. So let's take a look on the code and see what it's doing. So that's the code. I'm gonna put it under the video so you can write it down, or you can pause the video at any time and you can write it to your spreadsheet. Please pay attention here that this code is working only for data that are located in column A to C. So for example, if you have data from column A all the way to column Z, so or column F for example, so you need to change this letter to F, and it will always read the last row. So the code is dynamic. It always reads the last row. It doesn't matter if you have 1 million rows or 2 rows. It will always look for the last row in the data and delete all the empty cells. And it will do the loop here, as you can see. So what I did here, basically, I just let's talk about this example here. What I did, I just connect the code to a button here. Let's create a button, for example, here at any shape you like. For example, I choose this shape, and then I right click on it and I write here delete. Okay, so I highlighted, I put it in the middle, and then I maximize the text a little bit. You can put it 30 maybe, and you can change the style or line type. You can change the style of the shape. You can create it 3D, for example. You can change the color as well. You can make it yellow, purple, green, whatever. You got the idea. And then right click on it, and you see this option here, assign macro. So click on it, and then you will see the title of that macro that we created it here. So click OK, and now this button, you see when I hover over it, the cursor changing, see, to a hand. So once I click on it, it will delete all these empty cells. Okay, maybe, yeah, because this is in sheet 2 and we call it in sheet 1, so that's why I can change this to 2, and then it will work. If I go back here, now it's working. So be careful where is your data is. So that's good catch here. If your data in sheet 1, so put sheet 1 here. If it's your data in sheet 2, you can put in sheet 2 here. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and have a nice day.